Alright guys, just want to show you guys my new jet ski which I bought a couple of weeks ago. It's a GTR 215, and first thing I done was rip out my Lorenz fish finder from the old Doo 2001 and mounted it straight onto my rear vision mirror. Put some stainless steel bolts and nuts. Got a 1.5 2 mil plastic underneath this ram mount, and I lifted, took a couple of screws off from here. I lifted this up, drilled right through, and I put another 2 to 3 mil thickness of plastic underneath so I can get reinforcement, which it's actually pretty strong, mate. And bought this ram mount from eBay. Bought the cover as well. Got the cable down through the rear vision mirror, which you could see it mounted like that. It's perfectly sits right in front of you. There's a steering hit there. You can adjust it to go up and down. Mounted this straight through. There's a two plastic area where I drilled through. When I lifted this up, went straight down. There's a loom cable sitting. There's a loom cable sitting right there, and I run it through that going up, tucked in nice and neat, and run the cable all the way through the engine, the side wall, straight through. Then I made this 2 mil thickness. I found this hard plastic, and which is very solid and good. Haven't tested it yet, but if so, no good, I can change it to another aluminium or stainless steel bracket, which located right behind there. Screwed bolt and nut through the plastic, not through the hole, but I was going to run it through the top here. I said I'll make one little small hole and run through here. I'll put some water, high pressure hose, nothing leaking through, so all good there. That's my fishing transducer and fish finder mount. Now we'll come to my esky. Bought the esky plain as. First thing I've done is we'll have to get the level sitting at the back, so I went to the local Bunnings, bought these adjustable legs where they nicely fit on the shape. You can adjust the ball on it, and got two small ones at the front and these ones at the back, stainless steel. So I got that. Put a couple of U-type brackets, bolt and nuts running through, so I can strap it straight to my jet ski. And the good thing is I can leave this all on, and I only live 5 minutes away from the water, and when I get to the boat ramp, I only need to take the one that's mounted strapped to my jet ski, and they can still stay on. So that's the advantage. PVC pipes all around, bungees, got these shackles, stainless steel shackles with the clamps. Again, I'll put these U-bolts, U-brackets right through. Made a pouch here, for my tackle rather than going to the front compartment, which you got to keep opening that up. I thought make it easy. Little bait box here. I'll take what I need and put it in there. Filleting board. I did paint this esky. It was blue color. Wasn't going to match my jet ski, so I needed something like black or white, and that worked out well. Come to this side, I've mounted my GoPro ram mount set into here. I made a tube slot in there for a screw that's holding that so it won't twist on me. Actually works really well. Got mine, I had it on the other jet ski, basically the same setup, and it's easy to get into, change the battery when you're up, sitting up on the back of the jet ski right here. Got a new jet ski seat which handed my other one in, and got this beautiful GTR, probably one of a kind, very nice. And I also went to Bunnings and got this extra protection rubber. So they say that you get water leak, it's not waterproof in there, but I made it as much as waterproof I can. Got rubber sitting here, but I made another one in here, so we'll have to test it and see. Put an extra battery for my fish finder, and I also got a strap made where I'll be tucking it into here, and it will be sitting here with a hook. When I throw my anchor down, I can open the compartment, bring out my thing, strap it onto my anchor and send it through, which it will be sitting straight on the jet ski. But overall, will be a couple of days later, will be my first test. The temperature in the water, the wind wise, is looking good. Yeah, GTR 215 fishing setup. I thank you to all those guys on the YouTube have put up their own videos. Got some ideas off them, put some different thoughts of mine on the cooler itself. So I've done my package here, and I love to share things that I've done, and love for you guys when you share. We'll get some ideas from each other, and yeah, it's my GTR 215 fishing setup. And hopefully I'll catch you on my next video when I'm out there in the water catching some fish. Thanks guys.